If you're planning a home improvement project in Palmetto Bay, few upgrades offer the immediate impact of a new door installation. Whether you're replacing a worn-out entryway, upgrading for security, or enhancing curb appeal, installing a new door can add value and function to your home. Here's a step-by-step guide tailored to Palmetto Bay homeowners to help you confidently navigate the door installation process. Step 1. Choose the right door for Palmetto Bay's climate. Palmetto Bay's subtropical environment, hot, humid summers and occasional heavy rain, means choosing a door that can withstand both heat and moisture. Popular materials include fiberglass, durable and resistant to warping and rotting. Steel, great for security and insulation. Wood, offers timeless charm but requires sealing and maintenance in humid climates. Think about style, too. Palmetto Bay homes often reflect tropical, Mediterranean, or coastal aesthetics, so select a door that complements your architecture. Step 2. Gather tools and materials. Before you begin, ensure you have the following tools: tape measure, hammer, level screwdriver or drill, utility knife, caulk gun, and waterproof caulk shims, insulation pry bar. You'll also need the new door, hinges, lock set, threshold, if not included, and trim. Step 3. Remove the old door and frame safety first. Start by removing the existing door from its hinges. Use a pry bar to remove the door trim carefully, taking care not to damage the wall. Once the trim is removed, check if the door frame, also known as the jamb, is attached with nails or screws. Unscrew or pry it out slowly to avoid damaging surrounding drywall or stucco. Tip for Palmetto Bay homes. Older homes in the area may have custom-sized frames, so double-check your measurements before disposing of the old door. Step 4. Inspect and prepare the rough opening. Once the frame is out, inspect the rough opening for damage, especially water intrusion or rot. Repair any soft wood or moisture damage before continuing. Make sure the opening is square and level. This is crucial. An uneven base can lead to long-term issues like air leakage or difficulty closing the door. Apply flashing tape around the sill and sides to protect against water infiltration, which is essential in rainy South Florida. Step 5. Install the new door frame. Place the new frame into the opening. Use a level to check that it is plumb on both sides and level across the top. Insert shims between the frame and the wall studs to maintain this alignment. Screw or nail the frame into place through the shims. Ensure the door opens and closes smoothly before tightening everything. Weather readiness tip. Seal all gaps with spray foam insulation or fiberglass and apply caulk around the exterior edge to prevent moisture and air intrusion. Step 6. Add trim and finish. Once the door is secure and aligned, reinstall or add new trim on the interior and exterior. Choose a style that matches the rest of your home for a cohesive look. Apply a final bead of exterior caulk where the trim meets the wall for additional weatherproofing. Paint or stain the door, if it hasn't already been finished, using products suitable for exterior use in humid climates. Step 7. Install hardware. Attach the hinges, if not pre-hung, lock set, and any handles or deadbolts. Make sure the door latches securely and swings without rubbing. For homes in Palmetto Bay, consider upgrading to impact-rated locks or smart locks for added storm safety and convenience. Step 8. Final check. Test the door multiple times. Open, close, lock, unlock. Check for drafts by feeling around the edges with your hand. Address any drafts immediately with weather stripping. Make sure all screws are tight and caulk is smooth and sealed. Your new door is now ready to serve your home beautifully and securely. Make it last. Maintenance tips to keep your new door in top condition. Reseal or repaint wood annually. Clean fiberglass or steel doors with mild soap and water. Inspect weather stripping every few months. Installing a door in Palmetto Bay doesn't just enhance your home's look, it can improve energy efficiency, protect against the elements, and increase property value. With the right preparation and this step-by-step guide, you'll be well on your way to a successful door installation.